How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of your keyboard on Samsung. So there's a few different ways that we can do it. First of all, I'll show you how to do it for the Samsung keyboard. So open up your settings, come down to general management, and then select Samsung keyboard settings. From here you have the option to enable the high contrast keyboard, which gives you a few different options. You have the black letters on the yellow keypad, and then you have a few other options. So come out of that, and then you can also come into the theme setting, which gives you another 4 keyboard options. So you have light, solid light, dark, and solid dark. And then finally, the last option is by using the Google keyboard, which is an official app by Google. You'll need to go to the Play Store and download it. So after that, come into your settings, come to your keyboard list and default, and then make the Google keyboard your default keyboard, and then open it up and come into the theme. And as you can see, the Google keyboard has a few more options to change the color. So if you like one, then you can just apply it. So that's a few different ways on how to change the color of your keyboard on Samsung. Thank you for watching.